Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we make stuffed meat grape leaves. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna be cooking some stuffed meat grape leaves for you. And if you like, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can join us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever you like. So we're gonna be showing you how we make the grape leaves, and we will post the recipe on one of the social media channels, Facebook, etc. And today we're gonna be making the stuffed grape leaf. Instead of the rice, we're gonna be using burgo. That's coarse burgo, and we'll show you how. Okay, let's go outside to the garden and try to harvest some grape leaves. Okay, here we are in the garden. Let's go check our grape leaves here. It's raining a little bit today, but it's okay. Here is our grape leaf vines here. They're beautiful, very healthy, and now we're gonna be picking nice grape leaves. What we do is we pick the nice uniformed, pretty much the same size grape leaves, and this way they be all uniformed and the same size if possible. So we're gonna be picking about 70-60 grape leaves, and if we don't cook the grape leaves today, we can freeze them and take them out tomorrow for cooking. Or if we cooking today, we have to blanch the leaves so it'll be pliable so we can roll it properly. All right, let's get some grape leaves. Okay, and now we gonna be preparing the vegetables and herbs. We're gonna be chopping them, and we have some mint here, we have basil, we got the parsley, onions, garlic, tomatoes, lemon juice. We have scallions and garlic scallions. Some of those are options. Really, you don't have to add all these herbs, but if you do have them, will give a beautiful, nice taste to the dish. Here in the oven, we having some bones here. We are browning them, and we're gonna be putting this bones at the bottom of the pot. And now we're gonna do the stuffing. Here we have the meat. We're adding the burgo. We're doing a bigger quantity than it's in the recipe, but you can just follow the recipe. Add in the onions. Okay, tomatoes. And we're gonna be adding all the herbs. The garlic, tomato sauce, plus the seasonings. We're gonna grate some garlic. Okay, we're gonna add some beautiful homemade tomato sauce from our garden. Now we add the seasoning. We're gonna add some olive oil, lemon juice, pepper, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, etc., etc. You just follow the recipe. Okay, now after we put the seasoning and the spices and the herbs and the meat and the burger, so what we do is we mix everything together. Okay, here we mixed all the stuffing now all together. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little sample and pan fry it to see the taste, to make sure the seasoning is okay. So we're gonna flip it and we'll try it to make sure it doesn't need any seasoning or adjustment. Okay, it's almost done. It makes a beautiful hamburger, I think. Okay, after we did a little sample, the stuffing tastes delicious. Doesn't need any adjustment. Now we're gonna be starting to stuff here. Now we're preparing the pot. We added some aromatic. We got the roasted leg bones of lamb here, and we have some herbs, garlic, and parsley stems, bay leaf, and stuff like that. You put aromatic in the bottom, and we got also some mint and some basil. All right. Yeah, we got the grape leaves. We have about 65, 70 leaves here we're gonna be doing today for you. And you know, like that beautiful and all uniformed here. We got the stuffing ready here. And we're gonna be putting it in the pot here after we put all the bones and herbs and stuff like that in there. All right, I will show you how we do it. We're gonna show you how we roll the grape leaves. You take the sides, both sides in like that, and you take the back and you fold it in tightly, but not over tightly. Here we are. We put the stuffing is about like 2 tablespoons, and we show you again how we do it. See, you fold the sides in, and we take the back, and you roll it in snugly. You know, you don't want to overdo it because the stuffing here, they're gonna expand inside, and you don't want the grape leaves to burst. All right, we'll show you again. Here we are, one more time. About 2 tablespoons of stuffing. You fold the sides. Well, the stuffing, the amount is, it depends on how big the leaves are, all right? Here we are. What you do is, you know, you take the back of the grape leaves when you're rolling, putting the stuffing and rolling it should be on the top, and the shiny face is down. See, this is the back, should be on. That's where you put the stuffing and roll it. We'll show you one more time. Here we are. Stuffing, as I said, depends on how big the leaf is, but basically about 2 tablespoons. Here we are. Sides in, take the back, fold it in, and roll it gently and firmly, but not over firmly. All right, here we are. Now we are into a production here. As you can see, we start to place the grape leaves in the pot. We use a rack here, but you don't have to. You put the meat and the herbs in the bottom, and that's how you arrange the grape leaves. You do it nice and neatly next to each other. What you do is we place the grape leaves next to each other, and you give it a little push. Not you wanna put them like snugly, but not too snugly. All right, because that's how the grape leaves gonna be expanding. Here we are. We are here in our second row of the grape leaves, as you can see. And see how we arrange them nice and neatly, one next to each other. You work it in like a mosaic, I think. And as we said, you just put it in and like that. You see where it fits, and you put it in and you push it a little bit. That's it. Okay, now we are all done. See, beautiful, nice, arranged nicely in the pot. Now what you're gonna be adding, we're gonna be adding tomato puree, our homemade from the garden. We're gonna add little oil, little salt, and we're using chicken stock, but you can always use water if you like, okay? And we'll show you how much of these ingredients we have to put. Here we are, we're almost done here, but we ran out of leaves here. But what we do is we do have some in the freezer. It's easy, you take some from the freezer and you defrost it. Usually we defrost it on room temperature and it become nice and soft. But as I said, if you have the fresh grape leaves, as we did here, what we have to do is you have to blanch them in boiling water. What you do is you bring a pot of water to boil, you add the leaves, and you let them blanch for about 2-3 minutes, and they become nice and soft. And the same thing if you buy grape leaves from the market in the jar, you have to really blanch them as well, because you want to get rid of the salt and the brine in the from the leaves. Okay. You add the salt now. You add chicken stock or water, it's up to you. And we add tomato puree, beautiful, nice homemade if you have it. If not, you can use any tomato puree of your choice. Here we added a little bit olive oil too, and these are the damaged leaves. We put a little bit on top, and now we're gonna be adding a dish to weigh the grape leaves down, so this way they will not pop on us, pop up and burst. All right. Yeah, we're gonna put the dish like that. All right. So as you see, the water is about, I would say, 3/4 to an inch over the stuffed grape leaves. And now we cook it. Here we are, let's check it. Okay, so we bring the pot to boil, and then we have to reduce it to simmer. We'll cook it for about 45 minutes. Okay? Okay, here we are. We took the plates off the top and the damaged leaves, and here we are, the grape leaves after 45 minutes. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take one and test it and see if it is done. Here we are. Everything is done, beautifully cooked. It took us about an hour, 5 minutes to cook it. So it depends on the leaves. It takes between 45 minutes to an hour or so of cooking. So the grape leaves is time consuming for the beginners. I would say do not be discouraged. Try it out, and with practice, you'll do fine. And now you know why grape leaves are maybe a little bit pricey when you buy them in the restaurants or whatever, because it's time consuming. It takes a lot of labor and beautiful ingredients inside the grape leaves. So I encourage you to try it, and if you do, let us know. All right, bye for now.